Hello everyone, hope you have an amazing day. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I have something new. I'm gonna share with you oriental recipe. It's shawarma. I'm gonna do it my way using the Moroccan touch. And I'm gonna share with you too how I prepare a pita bread. You're gonna love this recipe, and I have a secret sauce. You're gonna love it. Stay with me. Let's do it together. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Now we're gonna prepare our marinade. So the first step, I'm gonna prepare garlic paste. So I'm gonna put my garlic. So it's ready. Yogurt, two teaspoons of garlic paste, olive oil, add salt, cumin, coriander, curcuma, paprika, they have here shawarma spices, black pepper, some lemon juice. Gonna mix everything. Can smell the aromas here. The yogurt will make our chicken tender. I have here my chicken fillet, chicken breast. Cut it. Butterfly, and so everything is ready. We're gonna put this chicken breast in our marinade 3 till 4 hours. Then see you later. Now time to prepare my special pita bread. It's really something delicious. You're gonna love it. First of all, 1.5 teaspoon dry yeast. I'm gonna mix it with water. You see, it's easy. And keep it on the side for about 4 minutes. In a bowl, just take 4 cups of flour. You see, 1, 2, third one, and here is the fourth one. Easy. add some salt. Here is something special. I'm gonna add nigella. And if you don't have it, just add black sesame. Here, something special. Cumin seeds. You're gonna love the taste, the flavor. It's really amazing. Instead of sugar, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of honey. Then mix everything. Easy. You give it lot of love. Now time to add the yeast. And I'm gonna add water. The time to prepare the dough. Mix until well combined, until you feel that it's a dough, just like that. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It will make the bread tender, moist from inside. Just continue mixing, and when the dough is ready, just cover it like that and keep it for 35 minutes. This time I'm gonna prepare my eggplant caviar. Just take eggplant, cut it on 2 pieces and start preparing cubes like that without cutting the skin. Easy. Put them on a baking sheet, add some salt, then season with pepper, black pepper, add olive oil, then I'm gonna put it in oven for 40 minutes, 180 degrees. It's easy. We're gonna get the eggplant caviar. Delicious, something delicious. After that, the dough is ready. This is dough, it's ready. I'm gonna cut it 4 pieces. Easy. And then time to cook. Our pita bread will be easy and something delicious. In a hot pan, olive oil, then I'm gonna bring my chicken. we're gonna let it on a medium high heat until you see that it got brown color. Then it's cooked and you will find it moist and tender. Now time to prepare my sauce. I'm gonna prepare tzatziki sauce. I'm gonna prepare it my way. I have here yogurt, and I'm gonna add cucumber, garlic, a little bit salt, pepper, black pepper, some mint leaves, and some lemon juice. Gonna mix everything. And keep it on the side. So here is my eggplant, caviar. You just do like that, easy. Just with the fork. I'm gonna add some salt, some pepper, little bit harissa or hot sauce if you don't have the oriental harissa. I'm gonna add a little bit mayonnaise. Mix everything. You're gonna really love this recipe. And now here is the result, the final result. So I'm gonna prepare the shawarma. So here we have bread, and here I will need the salad. This iceberg salad, chili tomato, cucumber rondelles, some spring onion, and hot pepper. If you don't like it, you don't need it, or a jalapeno you can put it. So I have my Moroccan caviar, eggplant caviar. Prepared salad. Really, it's something easy, better than any shawarma you go to in a restaurant. Here I'm gonna put cucumber. Some spring onion, I told you if you like, put 2 pieces. I'm gonna bring chicken breast. Really something tender, moist, they can smell the aromas. And here the sauce, on the top. No. Roll it. Roll everything. So here is the final result. My perfect, my delicious oriental shawarma. It's my way. I hope you're gonna try it at home and give me feedback. It's really something delicious. I wish you all the best. See you next time. Another video, another recipe, and bye bye.